Hey all, new arrival from IDC today. Got 4 new bits, a coffee cup, a pen, and candy, but that's gone. Anyway, just wanted to share. So check these out. If nothing else, you have to appreciate the names of these things. The big stiffy bowl bit, 1 by 3/8 inch radius. That thing is huge. Super excited to check that out. Next one up is the hog. So this is supposed to be a good get all of the first pass stuff out. Next in line, we have the 1/4 inch 1/4 inch downcut bit. I have been waiting for that because I have a couple guitar projects I want to do, and you have to be able to cut through 1 3/4 inch. And this thing is super long, so that is awesome. And last but not least, we have the Badger. So yeah. Oh, and don't forget my coffee cup. So super excited to check these out. Love these guys. Check them out online. IDC Woodcraft.